Thank you for coming to my channel. This is Stephen A. Williams with Making Money with Stephen A. Williams here on YouTube. I got something very special for you today. I'm going to do a hypnotic induction to help you get started with business success. You're going to start getting the inside feeling, your mind, your subconscious mind, all moving in the same direction for business success. Don't worry about what business you're going to be in. Don't worry about choosing a business right now. It does not matter what business you choose. What matters is you have the right mindset. You have your subconscious mind aligned with what you want. You start to see the opportunities that are available to you. And with this hypnotic induction that I'm going to give you, I want you to listen to this on a daily basis. And at some point, you're going to start to feel and see changes start to materialize. Opportunities are going to start to open up to you. And then you're going to take that next step. So first, before we begin, I want you to take a moment and relax. Close your eyes, if you like, and take a deep breath. And slowly exhale. Allow your body to unwind and your mind to settle into the moment. As you listen to my voice, notice a calm sense of focus begins to take over, clearing your thoughts and allowing you to be present. As you relax further, imagine your goals of business success coming into sharp focus. Picture the outcomes you desire, the progress you're eager to make. Let the energy of success flow through you. And as you do, notice how you're naturally drawn to stay engaged with this video. With each passing moment, you'll find yourself more focused, more curious about the insights that will help you elevate your business to the next level. Staying present and watching this video from start to finish is not just a choice, but a powerful step towards your own success. As you watch, let your mind absorb the ideas and strategies that will unlock new doors for you, creating a ripple effect in your business and in your life. The more you focus, the more these ideas will sink in, and the more success will feel natural to you. Now, as you continue to relax, you will notice a growing desire to stay engaged, to follow this video to the end. Each word, each moment becomes an opportunity for growth, for insight, for success. Stay tuned and let this experience guide you on your journey to great achievements. So now, before you come out of that trance, what I want you to do is I want you to visualize right now how you would like your life to be moving forward. What are the things that you want to have? How much money would you like to make? Who would you like to share your life with? How would you feel every day? How would you feel moving forward? Who would you hang around with? What type of car would you drive? What type of house would you live in? What type of vacations would you take? I want you to visualize that, because if you can visualize it, you can materialize it. Keep in mind, only concentrate and get a clear picture on the things that you truly want in your life. Do away with unwanted things, unwanted thoughts, unwanted experiences that you truly know that you don't want in your life, and only focus and give your energy, give your time, give your thoughts to those things that you do want in your life. Now, at the count of 3, you're going to wake up, feel very energized. 1, feeling energized, feeling confident, all stress is washed away. 2, open your eyes if they were not open, and you feel that there's a difference that's about to come about in your life. And 3, wide awake. All stress is released. Now, I wanted to do this because this is something that I actually did for myself very early in my life. Actually, at the age of 14, I found a hypnotic tape. I don't know if I went to the store and bought it. Back then, it was like these cassette tapes. I listened to that tape every night when I went to sleep. And after a while, I started feeling a change in the way that I thought. I started having more control over my thoughts, because from that tape, what it was telling me was that I control my thinking, that there are a whole bunch of outside things that will happen to all of us, things that we can't control. But what I could control and what I learned to control was my own thought processes. When I started to learn that, I didn't get angry. It didn't matter that people who I thought were my friends would talk about me in certain ways. It didn't matter when I started my own business and people talked about, like, hey, who do you think you are? You don't have money. You're just like us. You're not, it's going to be impossible for you to become successful. It allowed me to put all of those outside distractions, comments, things that would normally sink in, because those were coming from people who I thought were friends, family, people who love me. Why would they say those things? And when we talk to those people, that wall of resistance is down, because we think that they would never say anything to hurt us. But what I learned is that when I started to do things to make changes in my life, some of the people that were around me were jealous because they didn't take the initiative to make changes in their life. So what I want you to do is to listen to this video over and over again. And I'm going to add some new videos coming up with more intense inductions, more intense instructions, because my goal is to help you be able to move forward and make changes in your life and become as successful as you would like to be in your business. Thank you for your time. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. This is Stephen A. Williams with Making Money with Stephen A. Williams here on YouTube.